Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Samsung Range Display Board DE07-00129A. The Samsung Range Display Board DE07-00129A is a replacement part for Samsung ranges. It is a circuit board that controls the display on the range. It includes a number of components such as an LCD display, buttons, and LEDs. The board also contains a processor and memory to store settings and other information. The board is responsible for displaying the temperature, time, and other settings on the range. It also allows users to adjust settings and control functions on the range. The board is designed to be easy to install and replace, making it unhide. This part fixes the following symptoms. This display board can fix a variety of issues with Samsung ranges, including blank or flickering display screens, no power to the range, oven not heating properly, oven not responding to controls, and oven temperature sensor errors. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the range at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the screws that secure the back panel of the range to access the display board. 3. Disconnect the wiring harness from the old display board and remove it from the range. 4. Install the new display board in place of the old one, making sure to connect all of the wiring harnesses correctly. 5. Secure the back panel with screws and turn on power to test that everything is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.